Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to prepare this quarter panel in Autocad. So first, as usual, we'll study the drawing. So if you see, there are very clear dimensions given over here at the bottom. So we'll start the design starting from this point, extend it here, then here, then here, then here, then here. We'll also start from here and extend it from year to year to year to year and up to year. Then we will draw lines of any arbitrary length on both the axes. We'll get the intersecting points, and from these intersecting points, we'll draw these circles and break them. So let us begin the drawing. So we'll first start with construction of this line, and the distance is 0.375. So I come over here, I select the line command, and I click over here and give the distance as 0.375 and hit enter. Then at the end of it, I will give a point by typing point and hitting enter, and over here I put 1 point. So we have finished the first line. Now this distance is 1 unit. So 1 minus 0.375. You can use the calculator if you so desire. So 1 minus 0.375 equals to 0.625. So this distance is 0.625. So we draw another line. We press L for line, and we draw from here and 0.625 and hit enter. Again we hit enter and put 1 point over them. So we finish this first 2 lines. Now you can see this third line. So this distance is 1, this is 2. So this is 2 minus 1. So this is 1 unit. So we'll again press line. We'll start from here and we'll give the distance as 1 unit. And then we'll hit enter. And then we'll put a point here. Again, we come here. So we finished 0.375. We finished 0.625. We finished 1 unit. Now, this is 2.5 minus 2. So this is 0.5. And this is 3 minus 2.5. This is 0.5. We have to draw 2 lines of 0.5 and 0.5 units. So we say line, go from here, we say 0.5, hit enter, and put a point. And last line, we'll draw from here, and we'll say point, hit enter. So we have finished drawing this line with the points. Now let us proceed from here. So here again, the distance is 0.375. So we type line, we go ahead, we say 0.375, we hit enter, again enter, and we put 1 point over here. Then this is 1, this is 0.375. So like we had found earlier, 1 minus 0.375 is 0.625. So we type line and we say 0.625 and hit enter, again enter, and we put 1 point over here. Now this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit. So 2 minus 1, this is 1 unit. So again we type line, we go from here, Y unit, and then we put one point over here. Then this is 2.5, this is 2, so this is 0.5. This is 3, this is 2.5, so this is 0. So we'll draw two lines. This is 0.5 and 0.5. So we say line, and we click from here, 0.5, and then we put one point over here, and the last line, and 0.5. So we have made the two axes, X and Y. Now we have to get these points. So for this, we'll have to draw the intersecting line. But before that, they have given that this distance is 2 units and this distance is also 2 units. So let us draw one line from here to here of 2 units. So we say line and 2 units. Hit enter. And then we have to draw this line of 2 units. So we say line from here and we give 2 units. So these two lines are ready. 2 units and this was also 2 units. Now we'll draw intersecting lines. So we type line, we extend from this point and we can just cross the upper line. Enter. Again line from here. 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 Intersecting. Enter. Again line from here. Enter. Again line from here. Enter. And again line from here. Enter. Now we have to draw the points and the circles. So first thing you have to understand is what is the radius of these 4 circles? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you see, they have given radius is 0.125 and in brackets they have given 4. Is these 4 circles 1, 2, 3 and 4, they have the radius is 0.125. So let us begin drawing these 2 circles. We'll start from here. So we select circle and we select center radius. Center point we take this and radius we select 0.125 and hit enter. So the first circle is ready. Then we have to draw the second circle over here. So again circle, center radius, and the diameter is radius is 0.125 and hit enter. Now we have to draw 2 tangential lines. So we'll say line, we'll say first point, we'll select tangential to this, and second point we'll say tangential to this. Okay, and again we'll draw a line. First point we'll say tangential to this. Second point we'll say tangential to this. And now we have to break this inner circle. So we'll type break and we click on this, and F for first point we click here and second point we click here. Same way we come here we type break. Select the object to break is this. First point, we click here. Second point, we click here. So we got the object. Now we'll draw 2 points. So we type point and we put 1 point at the center over here, and we type 1 more point over here. Now we don't need this vertical line, so we erase this vertical line. Correct. Now we continue same way over here. So again we select circle, center radius, center point is this, and radius is 0.125. So AutoCAD remembers the previous radius, so I just hit the enter. And again I select circle, center radius. I click over here and the radius is 0.125. Hit enter. And then I type line and select tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Enter. Again line tangential to this circle and again tangential to this circle. Enter. Now we have to break. So we say break. Enter. Select the object to break this object. First point we select here. Second point we select here. Again break. Select the object to break. First point we select here. Second point we select here. Now we will draw 2 points. So we type point. First point over here. Again point. Second point. Now we don't need this horizontal line. So we'll erase this horizontal line. End. Now you can see these 3 circles, 1, 2, and 3. The radius is 0.375. So we select circle and we select center radius. We click here and we give the radius is 0.375 and hit enter. Same way for this circle also. We click here 0.375, hit enter. And one more time from here 0.375 and hit enter. Now we have to draw one intersecting line from here to here. So we type line, we click over here, we turn the ortho off by pressing F8 and up to here. Hit enter. Now we have to break this circle. So we type break, we click here, first point here, second point here. Then we have to put 1 point over here. Now we don't need this middle line. So again we say break, we click here and we give the first point intersection of this second point over here. Now we don't need this line and this line. So we select erase this line and this line. Hit enter. Same way we have to break this circle. So we type break, we click here, first point we select here, second point Now we want to break this in between line. So again break, we select this line. First point we select here, second here. And finally we come over here. So again we select break, select the object to break is this. First point we select here, second point we select here. Again we want to break this in between line. Before that we'll put one point over here. Then we select break and we click on this line. First point we click here, second point. Now the next thing is we have to draw one circle and the radius is 0.750. So let's begin drawing one circle, selecting center radius. Center point is this and radius is 0.750. Hit enter. Now you can see this distance is 0.5 from here to here. So what we'll do, we'll offset this circle. So we'll say offset, hit enter, and it is asking us the offset distance. So I'll select 0.5, then select the object to offset and side to offset, and then hit enter. One more time I'll show you. Offset, offset distance 0.5, select the object to offset and the side to offset and hit enter. Now we have to draw these two circles over here. So for this we'll use a 2-point circle. First point here, second point here. Same way over here also we'll use 2-point circle. First point here, second point here. Now we have to break this circle. So again we'll type break this circle. First point we'll give here, second point we'll give it. One more time we'll select break, select this circle. First point we'll give here, second point we'll give here. Now we have to break this inner parts. Before that we'll put 2 points. So one point we'll put here and another point we'll put here. Then we use the break command. We select break. First point we'll give here, second point we'll give here. Again we use the break command. We select this. First point we give here, second point we give here. Now we don't need these lines, so we need this one point over here. So we type point and put 1 point over here. Now we'll erase the unwanted lines. So I don't need this line and I don't need this line, I don't need this line and I don't need this. So our quarter panel is ready. So friends, this way if you go slowly, understanding the dimensioning and proceed in a step-by-step fashion, you will be comfortably able to finish your project. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.